Oh, ano yang kita karon? Ryonan versus Shoko the final. Ops. Ryonan ang bola. Liap. Pasok. Up. Shoko ang bola. Ipasa ni Miyagi. Ngadto ni Mitsui for 3. No good. Oops. Rebound. Op. Wala. Kuha sa Ryonan ang bola. Gipasa. Up. Dribble. Op. Gilusot. Op. Jump shot. Bang. Pasok. Shoko ang bola. Ups. Pasa ni Akagi. Akagi for 3. No good. Up, layup by Sakuragi. Yes. Score 2 versus 4. Up, Ryonan. Up, Sendo. Dribble. Up, Fukuda. Fukuda gidang. Ups, pasok. Ang score 2 versus 6 in favor of Ryonan. Akagi for 3. Yes, pasok. Ryonan ang bola. Dribble ni Sendo. Ups. Gilusot. Up, giliap. Pasok. Oh. Shoko bola. Score 4 versus 8. Akagi for 3. Yes, pasok. Up, gipasa. Ryonan ng bola. Up, dribble. Gitiyok-tuyok. Up, jump shot. Pasok. Score 6 versus G's in favor of Ryonan. Still by Sendo. Up, gipasa. Gili up. Pasok. Dako nagaglabaw mga guys. Up. Ipasa ni Miyagi ngadto ni Rukawa for 3. No good. Up. Fukuda. Dribble. Up. Jump shot. Ay, wala. Oh, giliap. Yes. Score 6 versus 14 in favor of Ryonan. Up. Mitsui for 3. No good. Follow up by Sakuragi. Yes. Up. Ryonan ang bola. Up. Gipasa. Dribble. Oh, jump shot, gali up. Oh, pasok. Bola sa Shoko. Oy, Sakuragi for 3. No good. Up, follow up by Akagi. Yes, pasok. So, kadaog ang Ryonan sa score nga 10 versus 16. Atangi ang sunod nga game, sunod semana. Salamat.